Hey everyone, I'm Wild Slimes and today I'm going to be showing you all the slimes that I just restocked today. I will link my shop down below so you can shop any slimes that you see that you like. Anyways, this is Mickey's Bubble Tea. It's a thick slime based on Mickey Mouse and bubble tea. So it's very thick and glossy and it has fake tapioca pearls as well as some fake sprinkles and fake Mickey Mouse sprinkles. So this has great bubble pops and it's scented like milk tea. So this next one is called Lucky Charms, and it's a very thick foam with micro foam beads, large foam beads, and so this is very crunchy and thick at the same time, and it makes great bubble pops, and it's scented like, kind of like the name, and the fun thing about it is it will come with a random charm from my shop. And I mean, they're all so cute, so pretty. So yeah, you definitely want this slime. So these are some of the charms you could receive. This one is called Pink Drink, based on the Starbucks drink. It's a thick and glossy slime, probably one of the thickest and glossiest slimes I have in my shop right now. So it has strawberry Fimo slices, as well as white, pink, and red foam beads. So as you can tell, it's just ultra thick. And it's also very stretchy at the same time, and it makes amazing bubble pops. So this is Pineapple Under the Sea, and it's based on SpongeBob, of course, the iconic queen, and it's centered like pineapple. It's a butter slime. It's super sizzly, soft, and squishy. This literally feels like a marshmallow. Starburst Fizz is in the house. I've been waiting to show you guys this one for so long. It's a crunchy snow fizz. Has all kinds of large glitters. This is definitely not one of the snow fizzes that like grinds into your fingers. It's more like a soft but still crunchy and sizzly snow fizz slime. And I mean, it's the stuff of dreams. Definitely get this one. The next one is Sugar Sugar, based on the song, and it's a pink metallic slime. It's clear based, but you know, it has all that pigment, and then it also has a ton of Fimo slices. It's very stretchy, thick, holdable, and it makes amazing bubble pops. Definitely get this one if you have the chance. This is the one, the only cotton candy cereal milk. It has rainbow foam beads, white foam beads, and it also has these really cool foam cereal chunks. So it's very crunchy, and I mean, it's thick. It's a half loam, so it's not entirely like a floam. It's also a thick and glossy slime. So I would definitely recommend this. It's scented Fruit Loops and cotton candy, so that's really amazing. And yeah, enjoy the bubble pops. Definitely go get this one. This one is called Apple Cider Donut. It's a floam based upon this really amazing dessert you can find here in New England. It's, you know, so delicious. So anyways, this is very crunchy. It's also half floam, and it's even more thick than the last one, but it has rainbow foam beads, as well as green foam beads, and jumbo foam beads, and fake sprinkles. It's just everything. Last, but by far not the least, this is my bestseller, churro dough. It's a squishy, holdable, thick, dense clay slime with a little bit of instant snow to make it like a beautiful mix, and it inflates up to like 2 or 3 times the size, so that just makes it even more extravagant. And I will also be having this in a 32-ounce size. Only one will be available though, so get your hands on it quick. It's scented like churros, and it's just my bestseller. I mean, it's my bestseller for a reason. Also restocked some other slimes. You can find them in my last restock video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget to snatch these slimes. Bye.